Hello everyone, I am Dr. Pratyasha and I secured an All India rank of 6000 in recently conducted NEET PG 2025. And today I will be sharing my personal tips and tricks and the changes I made this year which made me achieve this rank. So let's get into it. A little bit of background I would like to give about myself is that I did my MBBS from a private medical college, and coming from a private college, I never thought that I would come this far. Like, if someone in 2018 would have told me that you will get such rank in 2025, I would have simply said no. I know I won't be able to do it. Yes. So yeah, I did my MBBS from a private college, and last year when I gave my first attempt of NEET PG, I secured an All India rank of 50,000, which was not that good. Yeah, I was disappointed. But yeah, I didn't become an overnight genius. I tried again and again till the day that I was sure that yeah, this year is going to be my year. I am gonna secure a good rank and I'm gonna get my dream branch, maybe in my dream college. So the changes which I made this year were first would be making a 20th notebook or a choti copy. So I also made so many 20th notebook last year, like this, 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 and this. I made so many choti copy, and you can know that 4 copies I made last year, and I was not able to read any one of them before my exam. So yes, don't make such mistake. Don't make 4 5 copies, that MCQ, wrong MCQ copy, GT copy, previous year question copy. You are not gonna get time to read any one of them. Just make one copy and read it daily. Daily, I mean daily. What I used to do after dinner around 9 p.m., I used to take my choti copy and used to sit with it for one and a half hour and read whatever subject I read that day. Like so finally I got my hands on this choti copy. Yeah, this you can see. Yeah, what is this? This is Abgar School. Yeah. So yeah, finally made this choti copy, and I read it daily. I made this copy in January, and from January till July, there used to be not any single day where I did not read this copy. So many of you will ask that how did you make choti copy? So I actually what I did, I took the BTR subscription in December last year, December around this time only, and then I didn't know what is gonna come in BTR. I have never ever read or heard anything about it. So in the BTR there is a section called Choti Copy series, and what I did, whatever the subject I used to read in the whole day, I used to take out that section of that subject in that video, and used to wrote down in this copy, like what is this subject? This is microbiology, yeah. This is microbiology, and other subjects too, and used to leave 2 to 3 pages after each subject, and I over that period of time I customized it for according to my own needs. Yeah. So the second change which I made, I mean it's not a change, but yeah, I started practicing by heart, is that I start solving at least 100 MCQ on a daily basis. And I'm not including any previous year question in this. I mean, previous year question is different, and solving new kinds of MCQ daily is a different thing. So 50 to 100 MCQ you have to solve daily. 50 question in the morning and 50 in the evening or the night, whatever suits you. Okay? Yeah. This will, you can like, I know so many people say that why solve questions, and what is the need of solving so many questions, but I would say that when you will solve so many questions, you will just know, like, I just knew what to mark on the day of exam. Yeah, I just knew what is the answer. Like sometimes I just, by intuition, I just know that what, and that comes by practice only. You cannot just sit one day in an exam and think कि आज तो बन जाएगा हमसे, हमसे हो जाएगा. No, you have to practice for months to get good on the day of exam. Okay, so now come the main revision strategy. So mainly I use two resources, Marrow and the Cerebellum's PTR. So I used Marrow के rapid revision notes and the BTR thing, and I would say that do one thing. Start with the rapid revision. Study that subject from the rapid revision of any platform. I would say that take Marrow only or prep, any, all the platforms are teaching the same things. Mind me, every one of them is teaching the same thing. So you do not worry ki I too don't have Marrow, I don't have prep, I don't go to dams. Everyone is teaching the same. Take any platform, start doing their rapid revision, and whenever you complete one subject rapid revision, after that you can read the BTR book of that particular subject, and annotate the BTR with the extra knowledge, extra thing given in the rapid revision thing. Okay, you have to write all the extra thing in the BTR book, and then when you have anything in the smallest part, it will be so easy at the end moment to revise it. Believe me, taking 100-page notebook and taking a 10-page notebook, it will be easier for you to revise 10 pages before the day of exams. So make it the minimal, make it minimal as much as you can. And the third and the major change, which actually changes the whole thing for me, was giving weekly GTs. I know so many people tell 2 GTs are enough in a month, but I would say give at least 1 GT a week, because the practice of giving GT is what you need for the exam. You don't need knowledge, you just need the practice of giving a test. And the maximum you will practice, the more you will yield. So what I used to do, I used to give a GT on a Sunday, on a Monday, whenever it used to suit me according to my timetable, and I used to review the GT on the very same day. Yeah, I think these were the main changes. There are many other small changes which I made, which changed my study strategy day by day, which only happened by practice. I mean, if you just think today that, yeah, I listened to her, and now today I'm gonna sit for 12 hours, and it won't work like that. You have to find what works for you. If you can sit for 6 hours consistently daily, then sit for 6 hours only, because you know what, consistency always beats intensity. Today if I study for 14 hours and I'm all drained, tomorrow I won't be able to sit for 4 hours. Trust me, you won't be able to sit for 4 hours. You have to start from low. Start sitting for 4 hours, then start increasing it by 6 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours. And if everything you think that this year was a fairy tale and everything goes according to my plan, so you are wrong. There used to be hard days. I remember uh, till March, when the dates weren't announced, I was not studying like very seriously. Used to study, used to solve question, used to revise, but in my mind I was not that serious for the exams. When the dates announced, I remember I got a mental breakdown. I broke down in front of my parents that how it is gonna happen. Like the exam is in June. Like I only have 2 months and I'm still stuck here. Like I'll show my GT score of March, last test I gave in March. And yeah, so from there I made my mindset. No, now no any excuses. I have to sit for at least 12 hours a day to study. And everything wasn't going according to the plan. My GT scores start getting stuck on one score. In June, it was not increasing. And when you are trying and studying, but you don't know what to do more, you start getting frustrated. You don't feel like studying. So yeah, if these things happen with you, I know this is going to happen in the month of 6, in the time period of 6 months. You won't be able to have the same mood for all the time. And for all the people who have like hard days, don't feel like studying, I would say start slow. Start picking up one subject which you like. Like I used to enjoy reading pathology very much. So whenever I used to feel very low, I used to solve pathology questions which actually give me a boost up that I know something. Something is gonna go right this year also. Yeah. Or maybe if you don't feel like studying, you can just watch a movie and spend time with your friends if you have any. Yes, if you have any. And you can go around, sit with your parents. And if you do not feel like doing anything, I would just suggest sleep. Don't do anything. Don't force yourself to study. I would say just enjoy this process, because once this process will get over, you will you will start missing it, that I used to be so productive in these days, I used to be so disciplined in these days. So yeah, enjoy this process, enjoy learning, enjoy that you can be this much disciplined to achieve your goal. Yeah. So yes, these were all the changes. Actually, this is not a very like proper strategy video. This is not any uh, proper topper wali video gyan where I will tell you that study for 12 hours. This is just something which I actually did do this year, which made me achieve this rank. There are many small things which I can make a more detailed version of every subtopics I mentioned in this video, which I can make how to review a GT, what to read, how to use a resource properly. So yes, this is my story. This is my changes I made this year. Actually, the thing is, this could have been better. I mean, this is not a very great rank also. But yeah, coming from a private college, if someone in 2018 would have told me that someday you will get such rank in 2025, I would have just simply said no. I was very much underconfident when I entered the MBBS, and I grew every day. Every time I used to give any exam, I always used to tell me, "This is gonna get better. I'm gonna get better." So yeah, in the end, I would like to say that consistency always beats intensity. You have to be consistent. You have to be consistent and sit for number of hours every day. You have to solve 100 MCQ every day. You have to give grind test every week. There is no excuse. You if you start giving excuses, you are lying to yourselves. Nobody, like, if today I can only tell you that you have to do this, but if you are not doing it, then you are lying to yourself only. So I would say always be consistent, disciplined. Don't force yourself to like study for 12 hours. If you can study for 4 hours a day, study for 4 hours, but please study properly in those 4 hours. If you can't solve 100 questions in the beginning, start by solving 25 questions in the beginning. This will You will grow each and every day in the process. I can bet you that you will grow. Once everything will get over, you will say that, oh, there was used to be a day when studying for an hour used to be a thing for me, and today 15 hours is nothing. Like, there will then you will tell me that yes, you were right. And about myself, I would also tell you that if today, like, I'm sitting in a better position, I know I'm gonna get my dream branch, dream college, maybe, yeah, everything I'm gonna get. So I can tell you from my words would simply find you will find that, oh, she sounds so simple, everything sounds so casual. But yeah, after an year I could just say that yeah, it was all easy, but it wasn't. I build my confidence every day. Every test gave me confidence. Some broke me, but some actually boost my confidence. And in all this time, I would say that only people who helped me were my family and two or three of my friends, which I actually count on. I mean, my parents saw my breakdown. They saw that how much I was trying, I was not able to get better, and they console me after that. It's okay. It's gonna get better. So thank you so much, everyone, and I hope you find this video very helpful, and I can come up with more videos like this and telling you how to exactly review your GT, how to make a choti copy, or what are the tags you should use while solving a custom module. So yes, you can tell me in the comment, and let me know. You can follow me on Instagram, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.